Hey there, BasementMitzy here. Welcome to the BasementMitzy review channel. Today I want to review this Explorer, this little Explorer lighter. This guy is about 12 bucks online, and I gotta say you can probably buy a lot of, well, Bic lighters for the $12, but you're probably not going to get a Bic lighter that has a rubber seal in it and that's rechargeable. This is totally waterproof. And you can see the little recharging USB-C port in there. Now, by pressing the button here, you can see it, a little plasma. Now, this guy will work if you were to go through and pull it out of your backpack, have it wet, pop it open, hit the button, it's going to work a light for you. Now, the only problem I had with this situation was you got to get whatever you're lighting down in there in between those prongs to get that effect. You're not going to have a 3-inch long flame tickle in the bottom of your tinder. So that's the only problem I saw with this. For 12 bucks, I think it's a pretty good deal, but you, like I said, you can buy a lot of Bic lighters with this. With the $12 you'd spend on this, you could buy a 5-pack $1 a piece for lighters. For 15 bucks, you can go through and basically get one of these. These guys are never sayer, never say never. What this is a ferro rod. And for 15 bucks, this might be a better option for you, because guess what? You don't need power for it. You basically just go through and scrape your the metal shavings off into a pile, and then hit it a little harder, and you're sending sparks onto it. And as long as those sparks are in this wax jute, you're going to catch a fire. And what this guy is a little telescoping billows, and this allows you to blow into your hot embers and get the fire going from a distance without burning your face off. So this whole kit is only like $15, so it's not super expensive, and it should last you a lot longer than something like this, or a lot longer than a pack of $1 a piece Bic lighters. However, I will say one thing: $1 a piece Bic lighters, there's nothing wrong with them. I put them in pretty much every one of my little fire kits, because Bic lighters for $1 are cheap insurance on getting a fire made when you need one. So anyway, here are a couple options, and I figured I'd share them with you on my channel. So if you like my content, feel free to like, subscribe, maybe upvote. If you have any comments about what I'm talking about on these, feel free to leave comments, because I enjoy reading them. This is fun and entertainment. I'm not looking to really make a mint off this stuff, but if you like my channel, feel free to like, subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend. So that's all I've got. Anyway, guys, have a safe one out there, and keep in mind, locally for me, there are red flag warnings. So if you're going to go out and practice fire building right now, it might be a bad time to do it. But if you are so inclined to build a fire now, please be careful with it. Anyway, thanks. That's all I've got. Have a good one.